I'm on a journey to make my life more organized, so I thought I would give these coffee pod organizers a try. They fit right in here and they do just snap together with magnets. Go like that. Here's one close up. Let me show you this one close up. Everything fit. I do like that you can fit different sizes because you can go here, and because of the distance between the grooves, you can fit different sizes all up together, whether you're doing the 7-ounce cups or the smaller espresso cups. And then put it down in here, and side magnets, it snaps right in. It has made this drawer a little bit more organized, and in general, I'm pretty happy with them. They're a good quality plastic, they're not flimsy at all, and I think they're really going to last a long time.